Morning, bitches! Woo! Not that rough of a morning. Took it kinda easy last night. Well, easy enough. Made that nice fucking sandwich. Stayed up, played video games. Woo! Go Juice! Bailey's! Start the morning off right. Woo! Big day today. French toast, then steak later on. Big rib steak. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah. Alright. French toast. Easy. Bastard style. Using the sourdough bread. Finish off that bowl. Gonna use some half and half cream, a couple of eggs, cinnamon, some pure vanilla extract, little dash of salt, butter for the pan. That's fucking it. Use whatever bread you want. Today, this is what I want. Nice. Knife. Oh, kind of nice. About like that, eh? Two. Dos, minimum. Good enough. Beauty. Now, boy, after that much bread cutting, I think it's time for a zippy. Cheers, big ears. All right. Eggs. No shell, don't worry. Rinse these loose. I'll put a splash of this nice vanilla extract in. Nice. Half and half cream. Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Nice. Little splash of salt. Good enough. Let's whisk this bitch up. Sometimes I use 3 eggs, sometimes I use 2. Okay, I'll throw one more in. Fuck it. Three. It's a 3-egger today. Okay. Good enough. Soak it up. Don't toke it up. Soak it up. Toke it up later. Nice. Okay, that's it for about, I don't know, a couple minutes. Let it soak it all up. Rinse off your hands. Wipe the crumbs up. Go away, crumbs. Have a zippy. Alright, bitches. Get some butter in the pan. Heat the pan up. And we'll be fucking rocking. I'll be back. Woo! Alright, bitches. Butter is melted. And almost all of the egg is soaked up. Okay. I'm on a medium low heat. Get rid of that. Why the fuck not, eh? Decided to get in there, bitchy. Stick together like that. Throw some bacon in. Scabby ass little bacons. Good enough. Alright, bitches. It's been about, 6 minutes, I guess. Bacon's almost done. Time to give the old French toast a flipperoo, eh? Get over there. Bitchy. That'll be done in a minute. Come on. Bitchy. Get over here. Oh yeah. Nice. Nice. Perfect. That's looking good. Smells awesome. Drink up, buttercup. Alright, we'll let that go. Bacon will come off in a minute. Let that go for another 4 or 5 minutes. Woo! And I'll be back. And it's brekkie time. RTFO, mofos. Alright, bitches. We're good to go. Woo! Nice. That's some nice French toast. Got no room for my bacon. I'll have to put that off to the side. Yummy. Fuck yeah. Bacon. Maple syrup. Pure maple syrup. Fucking A. How about that? Bitchy? Alright. Let's break into this. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. That's fucking great. Hot. Fucking A. That's good. Sourdough. French toast. Fucking A. Well, that's how you do it bastard style. Don't know what style you like to do it. That's how I like to do it. It's fucking yummy. Oh yeah. Oh God. Bacon chaser. All right, bitches. That's what I got for breakfast. Make some French toast. I'm gonna go and do some things outside. It's supposed to be a nice day today, for once. And gonna make a steak. Don't know if I'm gonna film it. If I do, I do. All right, RTFO mofos. Take it easy, piano piano, eh? Arrivederci Roma.